Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a review on SoFi's bank. We're going to provide everything you need to know about it, pros, cons, and even more. By the end of this video, you should have all the information you need to help you determine if SoFi is the right fit for your needs. So let's get right into it. SoFi is an online financial services company that offers banking, investing, lending, and even more. It's marketed heavily towards young professionals and grads trying to get their finances started. So while SoFi began by refinancing student loans, they've expanded into a financial one-stop shop with high-yield bank accounts, credit cards, personal, mortgage, and student loan refinancing, and life, disability, and home insurance. On top of all this, we have a ton of financial tools and perks for account holders. So the pitch is managing all of your finances in one integrated place, but does SoFi truly deliver on that promise? After having used SoFi's bank accounts for some time, here is my own in-depth review. So the good part, benefits and perks of using SoFi. You've got no fees on bank accounts as SoFi checking and savings account have zero monthly fees, zero minimum balances, and no overdraft fee. This makes their bank accounts super flexible and beginner friendly. You also have high interest rates. Their savings offer up to 4.2% APY and checking offers 1.2%. if you set up direct deposits, and this blows traditional bank rates out of the water. You also have the big insurance as both the SoFi Money account and vaults are insured up to $250,000, and they offer expanded insurance up to $2 million through partner banks. Even though it is rare for online banks, SoFi also lets you deposit physical cash at thousands of retailers nationwide using their application. This is super convenient, especially when it comes hand in hand with the money transfers. You can send money to anyone via email or phone number. Recipients don't even need to have SoFi accounts. However, transfers arrive in minutes between the SoFi members. You also get access to Vault savings accounts as SoFi's sub-savings accounts called Vaults make budgeting and saving for goals simple. And new users can earn up to $250 just for setting up direct deposit on their account within 45 days. So SoFi clearly aims to create a full-service financial experience and all the products that you need with helpful resources all in one place. But nothing is too good to be true, so let's look at the bad, which is the downsides and the limitations of SoFi potentially. So through my time using SoFi, I can still say that I'm largely satisfied. However, no financial institution is perfect, so let's take a look at some of the drawbacks that you might experience as well. The first one is that you must open checking and savings account together. You can't just open a SoFi Money savings account, checking is required as well, and this is pretty annoying if you just want the basic savings. Additionally, direct deposit is needed for top rates, so to earn the headline interest rates, you must set up direct deposit of your paycheck or benefits, no bonuses for loyalty over time. And while SoFi enables cash deposits via retailers, you may get charged up to $5 per deposit, and this could negate any interest earned. I've also found that SoFi's customer service lacking compared to other fintechs, limited live support options beyond the basic auto chat. So we would give it mediocre customer service. You may also be faced with some account usage limits as SoFi imposes limits on aspects like cash deposits and ATM withdrawals. And while this is not deal breaker, it's good to know the restrictions. There's also very few physical locations with no actual branches. You will need to rely on the online or the mobile support. So if you prefer in-person banking, then SoFi might not be the right option for you. So while I really like SoFi overall, there are some limitations versus other fintech options. You'll have to decide whether the pros outweigh any drawbacks for your situation. If you want to open a SoFi Money account, here is the quick process that I followed. You would need to go to sofi.com and then click on open an account. Enter your name, DOB, email, and create a password. You will then be asked to verify your identity by scanning a government-issued ID. Then fund your account by linking an external bank account and initiating a transfer. And that's really it. The whole process will take about 10 minutes start to finish. Once you're approved, you could easily log into online and mobile banking to manage your new SoFi accounts. So given the pros and the cons that we talked about, here are the best types of customers that I think SoFi works best for. We've got the young professionals and grads, which is great starter banking, loans, and investing. Remote workers for excellent online-only financial kind of option. And the multitaskers as you have integrated financial products under one account. So alternatives like Chime, for example, could be better suited for you if you prefer extensive ATM and cash access, or if you don't qualify for student loan refinancing or need mortgages. Perhaps you want investment options beyond the basic robo-advising, so in this case, maybe different options could be better for you. However, I advise that you assess your own needs to decide if SoFi is a fit. So even though I do like SoFi overall and plan to remain a member, you should also keep some of the limitations around earning top rates, customer service, and the loan approval realities. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know what you think about SoFi's banking in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we create similar to this one.